Hello, my name is Rosie the Scotted, and I'm gonna check and see how they're doing today. Ooh, really nice. Max the Schnauzer, you're the best student in the world. Go stay here. Rainbow, Rainbow the Unicorn. You're also the best unicorn in the world. You help somebody helps our horns and let it sparkle. Go stay here. Rosie the Sheepdog, the same thing as me. You're being okay. You can just sit and talk, okay? Alright. Alright. Okay. Go stay here. Mr. Van! You're the worst student in the world because you just made that buzzing sound and everything. Go home now. And what else did you just do? You just play that buzzing game. That's it. Go home now. You're really in deep trouble, Mr. Van. Whoa! Rain Sheepdog. Yes. You did really good, but stay here, okay? Alright. And I'm gonna talk to you some more questions, Mr. Van. Whatever who makes that beeping noise, you're gonna stay on timeout. Got it, Mr. Van? I will mix that beeping. Wait, I will make that buzzing sound. See? Knock it off, Van. Go now. I will. Van, knock it off. You better not make that buzzing sound. You're gonna go with me. See how trouble you are. See, you're here with me. I'm gonna talk to you some more questions, Mr. Van. Mr. Van, you're in trouble because you just made that buzzing sound. Do not do that again, Mr. Van, okay? See? See? I'm gonna turn you off. If you can't listen, Mr. Van, you're gonna sit in timeout again. Go home now. Whoa, Mr. Van is really in deep trouble. Let's see what his mom says. Mr. Van! Mr. Van, how dare you made that buzzing sound while you're at school? You're grounded forever. Go to your room right now. And do not ever come out again. Got it, Mr. Van? Go. Woof. Have a good day. Guys, join my Canine Crooner channel. Check on the comments below, like, and subscribe. Goodbye, and I'll see you tomorrow. And have a good summer vacation, and have fun.